I just gift my house to my children outright?
You certainly can gift your house to your children outright, but as an elder law attorney, I would say to you, I don't think that that's a good idea. I don't think it's a good idea because, one, I think you should stay in control. I think it's a lot better for you to take your house and put it into a trust so that you can still have some control of your house and determine where it goes and what ultimately happens with it. I also don't think it's a good idea because I just get concerned. Over the years, I've seen a lot of people give their house to their kids, and people tell me all the time that they have really good kids. And I think to myself, so do I. But that's not the point. The point is that life happens to all of us. Your children can get sick, they can get divorced, they can become disabled, they can die themselves prior to you. And so we don't want to take your house and put it into their names to hold, to protect it from nursing home care, because something could happen in those children's lives that would take that house away from you. And so we don't like at all putting houses in children's name. We rather take it and put it into a trust so that we protect it. It doesn't matter if your house is in a trust, if your child gets divorced, if they go bankrupt, or if they become disabled, or if they pass away. It really shields and protects it from all of that while still protecting it from the cost of nursing home care. And so we really don't suggest to people that you give your house to your children outright. But an additional consideration that most people don't really realize is if you give your house to your kids and they're going to sell it, they will actually end up paying more tax when they sell it in the majority of situations. If you take your house and you give it to your kids and they turn around and sell it, they're going to have to pay an income tax called capital gains tax on the difference between what you bought it for and what they sell it for. But if you instead keep it in your name or put it in a trust until you pass away, they get what's called a step up in basis. And in that situation, they won't pay any capital gains tax. So there's lots of reasons that we shouldn't take our house and give it to our kids outright. I always advise my clients that if you want to give money to your children outright, it should be a gift. It should be something that you're ready to give them, not something that you want them to hold on to in case you need it later. In those circumstances, we really need to use a trust.